So today we are going to discuss the sample paper of class 12 IP. So let's get started. Yes. So uh, from first, I've already done with the question number 1 to 5th. First of it, again I'm going to talk about the questions. So first question is, a copyright is automatically granted to the author or creators of the content. So it's right. A copyright is automatically granted within just a minute after uploading. You have seen copyright over videos on the YouTube. Assume it like the same concepts. In FOSS, free open source software, source code is usually hidden from the user. False. Source code is open. Okay. plt.title. Okay. Next is 50 because 49.88, it's 8 greater than 5. So after rounding it will be 50. 4 rows. So we use to show first n number of rows, we use head. N means n number of rows. Dot with the series name. S name. So series name is here sequence. Sequence all matches. Now head. Head is capital, so it gets eliminated. Here S comes and we don't require any S. So here the right option is A. Now here what can you do for the sum of series? Just do print. This will give you the record output. Next question is, using Python matplotlib, dash can be used to count how many values fall into each interval. So its answer is histogram. Why? Because in histogram we take some values. Histogram is like this. Okay, and bar graph is, let me show you. Something. Yes. Once you're getting some space, and in the other you don't get any space. Like every bin, distance between every consecutive bin is same. So in histogram you get interval. If you are seeing range or interval in the question, just put the answer as histogram. Next, to prevent unauthorized access to or from the network, a system is known as DAS, can be implemented by hardware or software. Firewall. Firewall. You can find firewall in the Windows by clicking on the settings, and you will get the firewall in the, I think, in the privacy uh, section. Yes. In data frame, access is equal to 1 represent column, and for 0 it is rows. Which of the following is not a network topology? Star भी है, mesh भी है, tree भी है, bus भी है, bug नहीं. Bug is a worm. But in computer, it's a kind of like virus, malicious program. Malicious program to harm the computer. Next, for web pages, when the information is changed frequently, for example, stock prices with the information, which of the following options would you advise? Dynamic web page. Why? Because dynamic web page content gets changed every time. So here it is written information is changed frequently. So the correct option is dynamic. Next is your the average function in MySQL is an example of math function, text function, date function, aggregate function. So its answer is aggregate. Why not math function? Because in math function you are getting day name like that. It's an aggregate function. Always remember this. Next is Next is the practice of taking someone else's work or ideas and passing them as it your own. It is called as plagiarism. Next in pandas, the function used to check the null values in the data frame. You are going to check the null values in the data frame. So it's is null because we use is null. And if we have to check like is present any dot, so we use like dot any like that. Next question is I can keep you sign in. I can remember your site preference. I can give you locally relevant content overnight. It's cookie. Cookie doesn't mean a biscuit. Okay. Cookie means a text file that is stored on the web browser. When you something browse on the web browser, means browse meaning what means you do net surfing. Okay, so it is a text file. Which amongst the following is not an example of browser? Chrome, Firefox, Avast each. Avast. Because Chrome, Firefox, you have all familiar with that because you are using it. A mail or message sent to a large number of people indiscriminately without their consent is called spam. A lot of people do spam in the comment section, like that. Like that happens in email too. Next question is according to a survey, one of the major Asian country generate approximately about 2 million tons of electronic waste per year. Only 1.5% of the total e-waste get recycled. Suggest a method to manage e-waste. How can you do that? One option is recycling, buy environmentally friendly electronics. Other, you can donate used electronics to social programs or use or refurbish. Do you know what is refurbish mean? Refurbish means uh, to buy a used product at a lower cost, or sorry, to sell a used product at a lower cost, electronic product. The dash command in SQL used to make changes in the rows of the table in SQL. It's none other than update. Can be used to make changes in the row. देखो क्या होता है ना कि ये आपका एक टेबल है, ठीक है। अब यहाँ पे बहुत सारे कॉलम है, 1 2 3 4 और ऐसे करके आपको रो में तो बोला कि जो रो में चेंज लेके आए मतलब क्या, इसमें भी लेके आए, इसमें भी लेके आए, इसमें भी लेके आए, मतलब इस तरीके से। तो मान लो अगर यहाँ पे मार्क्स लिखा होता और टीचर ने क्या किया, गलती से 4 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन किसी का चेक ही नहीं किया और सपोज कि 4 मार्क्स का जो क्वेश्चन था वो आउट ऑफ सिलेबस था, जिससे बच्चों को ग्रांट मिल रहा है 4 मार्क्स के। तो अब यहाँ पे आप लिखेंगे अपडेट जो टेबल का नेम है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल अपडेट क्लास 12 सेट मार्क्स इज इक्वल टू मार्क्स प्लस 4 और फिर आपको ये सिंबल देना पड़ेगा, लिखा होगा कोलोन, कोलोन के साथ शिफ्ट प्लस कोलोन यूज करो तो आ जाता है, तो ये देना पड़ेगा। तो अपडेट या जो आपके रो में चेंज है। नेक्स्ट इज write the SQL command that will display the current date and time. Now We can use now. Dash network device is known as intelligent hub. Switch. I think yes, switch. हब इंटेलिजेंट ऑलरेडी वो हब है और वो इंटेलिजेंट है तो ये क्या आ जाता है स्विच आ जाता है नेक्स्ट इज receiving irrelevant and unwanted emails repeatedly is an example of spam. This question is repeated two times. Next, consider following data frame DF and answer any four questions from 1 to 5. Write down the command that will give you output roll number 6 name 10. See roll number 6 name Tanish Goyal roll number 6 roll number 6 name Tanish Goyal. Mark the thing that is coming in the output. UTI 1 24 nothing, UTI 2 nothing, UTI 3 24. It's here. UTI 4 24. Oh, it seems like this. 24 it's here and it's here and for this these are it's here 24 24 24. So print mm, print C. We are getting the maximum value from all UT. So maximum is 24 here also 24, here also 24 and here also 24. So we are getting maximum value so it will be max. Now what to do? This or this? We are not using axis is equal to 1 or axis is equal to 0. We are simply using this. Now you tell me what will be the correct option, max or max parenthesis. So correct answer is option number B. Why? Because max is a function. You see the dot. This dot shows that max is a function. And whenever you see a function, it always comes like this. Okay? In the panda especially. The teacher need to know the marks scored by the student with roll number 4. Help her to identify the correct set of statement from the given option. DF1 is equal to DF. DF roll number is equal to 4. Print DF.1. Second is your okay. Okay. So these options are eliminated. Why? Because whenever you write the things in ILOC or LOC, you have to put this inverted comma, double inverted comma or single inverted comma, either of them. But none among B, C, D options, none of them contain a single or double inverted comma. By seeing this only, I have eliminated. So correct option is option number B. Remember this type of questions come. Next is which of the following statement will give exact number of values in each of the column? Print df.count, df.0, df.count, df.count, axis is equal to indices. So its answer will be both 1 and 2. Let's see how. Exact number of values in each column of data frame. So option 1 is correct because option A df.count. This we are using like max, count, mean. We are not using average in Python pandas. We are using mean. Okay. This option is incorrect. Why? Because count is a function, so we must put like this a parenthesis. df.count we generally don't write these things. Our question, this question also, we eliminated option number C and D by doing by applying this kind of logic. So apply this kind of logic. Next is your df.count 0. This will also give you the output. So option number A, both A and next is which of the following command will display the column level of the data frame? Column level df dot columns df dot column. So column is we can't write column. Always it is written columns. So two options are eliminated B and C. Next is out of A and T. C dot. Here it's dot. It must be a function. For function it needs a parenthesis. So option number A is correct. Next says Mr. Sharma, the class teacher, wants to add a new column to score a grade without this is this. Help her to choose this is this. A B A B A B A B A. Okay. And I think first is wrong. Then second is true. And third is also wrong. Why? Let me tell you. Because Mr. Sharma, the class teacher, wants to add a new column named. The column name is grade. So here you can't write column. You have to write grade. And second is that you can do by another method like this syntax, but this method is correct. And now df.loc dot grade. We don't use like this. Okay, don't write like this. Wrong syntax. Ah, hmm, hmm. Yes, I am back. Consider the table student given below. This, name, number, name, class, DOT, gender, city, marks. Select the command that will give output as name, Anand, Chetan, Geet, Priti. Select name from student. Anand class 11th. Anand, Chetan, Geet, Priti. Anand, Chetan, Geet, Priti. Select name from student where marks is greater than 360. Mm, Let's see the marks. They are not considering marks. Let's see another. Agra, Mumbai, Agra, Mumbai. Agra, Mumbai, Agra, Mumbai. Fifty? First is wrong. But because there are no students. Second, leave from somewhere. Not 11. Second is also wrong. Third is university is equal to our A. True. Select name from a city in Agra and Mumbai. Hmm, Agra, Agra. Hmm, It can be true. Yes, it can be true. So option are B, 3, 4. Next, what will be the output of the following command? Select star from student where gender is equal to F, order by marks. So where gender is equal to F and order by marks. ऑर्डर पर मार्क्स देखो जब यहाँ पे ऑर्डर पे मार्क्स है मतलब वो असेंडिंग है मतलब सबसे छोटा मार्क्स का मिला है तो जो ऑप्शन गया ऑर्डर मार्क्स सिलेक्ट स्टार स्टार मतलब ये नहीं आएगा क्यों स्टार मतलब ऑल रिकॉर्ड this option we can consider next this is also wrong the option number B is correct second is select select max marks from student were grouped by class wrong this is wrong select max marks from student were grouped by class wrong select dark marks from student grouped by class this is also wrong marks from student grouped by बच्चों को नूडल्स पास्ता बहुत पसंद आता है let me see out of 10 select class select class max marks okay from student group by class group by class here it is group by marks so it is eliminated this option is correct next select the command to display the average marks of score student by each gender one class 11th average marks scored by each gender first not second is 2 no wrong because group by comes after from student fourth is also right so 2 and 4 options 2 and 4 is how much we are left with we are doing only objectives okay I proceed to write a command to display the youngest student. Youngest mean minimum date of birth. So this is eliminated. This is eliminated. Now, sorry. Min is eliminated. Youngest means maximum. Maximum. So this is true. This is true. This is true. What is false? This is false. Now name max surrounded by name. Oh, this much is only correct. Next is consider write a program in Python to create the series. Now we have covered all the objective. Let's finish this.